Good morning, friends. We already have completed 3 lectures related with the chapter 4, standard form, standard form of linear equation in two variables, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That is our standard form. And we have to find out also, we know that infinite many solutions. So in last lecture we have to also find out the 2 solution or 3 solution of each. Now we want to discuss today graph of linear equation. We want to discuss of graph of linear equation. So different graphs we can draw it. But basic concept here with the graph we have to go for chapter number. Which chapter? That is chapter number 3. In chapter number 3, we know that here we can say x bar, y dash x. Here it is positive 1, 2 and 3. Here minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. Again here 1, 2 and 3. Minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. So now we will see, today we want to discuss what type of graph when we do. So there are different type of graph. Today we want to discuss when A, B, C is given. First type of graph is that when all 3 values are given, that is A, B and C. So standard form of equation is given, that is x plus y is equal to 4. One question is there. We have to do the graph of x plus y is equal to 4. So when x plus y is equal to 4 graph we want to do, what we have to make first? And at least 3 value we have to find out. We have to find out the 3 value and then we have to put. Now x plus y is equal to 4. So either you can do y is equal to 4 minus x. Now what I have to put? I have to assume x. So let x is equal to 0, x equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. If I will put 0 at here, so y is equal to 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. So if I will put 0, I will get answer 4. Again x equal to 2, x equal to 1. So y is equal to 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So if I will put 1, I will get answer 3. Now x equal to 2 I have to put. So y is equal to 4 minus 2, that is 2. So when x is equal to y is equal to also 2. Now if you want to go this graph, then where we have to draw this. So first of all understand 0, 4. Here x equal to 0, y is equal to x equal to 0. So here it is 0. Y is equal to 4. So here, so we have to write 0, 4. Here it is. Now 1, 3. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to x equal to 1, y is equal to 3. So I have to put 1, 3. 2, x equal to 2, y is equal to 2. Now if we go further, x equal to 3, then y is equal to 4 minus 3, that is 1. So when x equal to 3, y is equal to 1. So generally if we do the graph, it should be passed from here. So it's a rough calculation, but if you want to draw, it should be a straight line. It should be a straight line. And always passes from the both axes. So always remember that x plus dy plus c is equal to 0. All values are given in question. That is a, b and c. So standard form is equal to x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. So that is our standard form. When standard form question is there, and if we put value of x, we can get value of y, because we know that infinite many solutions. But if we put value of a, b and c is given in question, see that a, b and c, a1, b1, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 4. So in standard form is that it will be intersect both axes. It will graph, it will intersect both axes. Always axis. It will intersect the both axes or so x axis or intersect y axis. Both axes will be intersect. So there are 6 type of different out of this one we have discussed. So I always assume 1, 2 and 3 digit and we can do the graph one. One more graph we have to discuss, that is now x minus y is equal to 2, that we want to discuss. X minus y is equal to 2. That type of graph we have to discuss now. So mean what? We have to first have assume or we have to make a x minus y is equal to 2. So x is equal to y plus 2. Here we have to assume. So now this type of equation, and we have to put value related it. So here we have to do the graph. So here we are taking x is equal. So here we have to assume y. So y is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. Now therefore x is equal to 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. X is equal to y is equal to 1. So 1 plus 2, that is 3. X is equal to y plus 2, 2 plus 2, that is 4. X is equal to y plus 2, 3 plus 2. So we can get 5. So here we want to difference is 2. Anyhow we want to get difference is 2. Now we will do the rectangle and put value first. Three values we have to put. So x is equal to 2, y 0. X equal to y, x equal to 3, y is equal to 1. X equal to 4, y is equal to 2. So when we draw this type of graph, it will be intersect always two axes. Always remember it will be intersect the both axes. Now 2, 3 and 4. So we have to go through 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again here it is positive. So x minus y. So we have to shift. So x equal to y plus 2. Put the value of x. We can get value of y. We can draw the graph. Now we have to put the value. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now you can see here again x axis, x dash, y dash. Now 2 comma 0. X equal to 2, y is equal to 0. So here we have to put x equal to 2, y is equal to 0. 3 comma 1. So 3 comma 1 we have to take. 4 comma 2, 4 comma 2. Now I will pass this. If we draw the graph of it, it will be intersect the both axes. Always remember it will be intersect the both axes. Now how we can represent it by proper way? We have to write the name of equation, that is x minus y is equal to 2. So I will write x minus y equal to 2. So graph of linear equation is always straight line. Always straight line. It will be intersect the both axes when A, B, C is given. So second sum, now third sum that we want to discuss. Now in third sum, if you will see, constant term is not given. Here constant term is 4, here constant term is 2. Here constant term is not given. When constant term is not given, which type of graph that we have to see? When constant term is not given, on that time how we can draw the graph. So when y is equal to 3x, so therefore x is equal to, we assume 0, x equal to 1, x is equal to 2, and x is equal to 3. So therefore y is equal to 3 into 0, that is 0. Y is equal to 3 into 1, that is 3. Y is equal to 3 into 2, that is 6. Y is equal to 3 into 3, that is 9. Now x equal to 0, y 0, x equal to 1, y 3. Now what we have to plan? We have to draw one. What we have to put? X, y. X 0, y 0. X 1, y 3. X 2, y 6. We can take minus also. If you want to take minus, x is equal to minus 1. Then minus 1, then minus 3. Now if we do the graph of it, one, two, three, and 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now, if we put the value related with the graph, then what we have to put? 0, 0. So it is initially. Now 1 comma 3, x equal to 1, y is equal to 3. Generally we have to join like that. So that is 1 comma 3. Now 2 comma 6. So 2 comma 6 above minus 1, minus 1, minus 3. So here we have to take minus 1, minus 3. Now if we will join this, it is always pass from the origin. Always remember, when we draw the graph related with when x and y is given, when x and y is only given, here constant term is not there. When question is in form of ax plus by. Question is in form of x plus by is equal to 0. Graph is always passed from origin. Graph is always passed from origin. When it is possible, when ax plus by is there. Ax plus by is equal to 0, graph is always passed from origin. Why? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 type graph. When ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 type, graph is always intersect both axes. So today we have discussed two type of graph. There are total 6 type of different graphs. Today we have discussed 2 type. When standard form is given, always graph intersect the both axes. When x plus by type of graphs, constant term is not present, it is always passed from the origin. That you have to complete in your fair book. Exercise 4.3 question number 1. You have to complete in your fair book. Thank you.